In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ClickUp's free version. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that offers a variety of features to help you manage tasks and projects more efficiently. Whether you're coordinating with a team or managing personal projects, ClickUp's free version is a great place to start exploring its capabilities. Now, let's dive into how you can get started with this fantastic tool at no cost. First, open up a web browser of your choice and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in the word ClickUp and hit enter. This should bring up a list of search results related to ClickUp. You'll want to look for the official ClickUp website among these results. Oftentimes, it will be marked as an ad or appear right at the top due to its popularity. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the link that takes you to the ClickUp homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll see an option that says Get Started, It's Free, prominently displayed. This is an invitation to begin the sign-up process for their free version. Click on this button to proceed. Doing so will direct you to a registration page where you'll begin setting up your account. On the registration page, you'll be presented with a few options for signing up. You can choose to sign up using your email, which is a conventional way to go about it. Alternatively, if you prefer more convenience, ClickUp also allows you to sign up using your Google account. This can save you a couple of steps and make the process quicker if you're already logged into a Google service on your browser. If you decide to use your email, you'll need to fill out a simple form requiring some basic details. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure the password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After filling out this information, check for any terms and conditions that you might have to agree to, then click the sign up or create account button to proceed. If you opted to sign up using your Google account, things are a bit streamlined, as Google will handle the authentication for you. You only need to select the Google account you wish to connect, and ClickUp will take care of the rest to set up your new profile. This method is particularly useful if you want to keep all your productivity tools integrated. Congratulations! You should now be fully signed up and ready to explore all the features ClickUp has to offer in its free version. Get comfortable navigating the dashboard, exploring some basic settings, and perhaps even adding your first task to get the ball rolling. You've taken the first step towards heightened productivity and efficient project management. Enjoy your journey with ClickUp and make sure to check out their tutorials and resources to get the most out of your experience.